Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a quotes carousel and add it to a WebEden website. Let's get started. The quotes carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now let's head to the WebEden website editor. In the WebEden editor, click the Widgets button in the left menu. Drag the HTML widget from the widget panel and place it wherever you wish on your website. Now, in the HTML content editor window that opened, simply add the widget code you copied before. Click on the Update button and close the window. And that's it. Now, the quotes carousel will show on your website.